Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the pressure was pretty much the machine was overheating, and what happens when it overheats, a bunch of water will just start pouring out through here, as well as a lot of steam, and it won't ever get the pressure. And that was because the pressure stat was completely clogged with some sort of a scale or something that was in there. And when we took the machine apart and see the tank, it was pretty much completely clogged. Let me see if I have a picture over here. So we just unclog that and replace the pressure stat with a brand new one. That is still the older model. The one that we use is this one. You can see it's way better. It's much newer, and it will work really well. So okay, I have a picture right here, and as you can see, the boulder in there is just very dirty, as well as pretty much the heating element and all that. It was really bad. And so after cleaning that, now it's working perfectly fine. We readjusted the temperature, so it will just reach up to here, and it will just stay in this position no matter what, pretty much. So starting with the steamer, let's just test the machine out, and you can see it's really working well. It's really powerful. And once you kind of start the steamer, you will see this light turning red, and it will start heating back in there until it gets to this point, and it will just automatically stop, and this one will turn green. And that's when you know the machine is ready. So let's just do a test shot. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly. It's a little bit hard to pull out a shot over here with just one hand, but we'll make it. A little bit too fine. You can definitely see the flow was very fast in there, and needs to be way more slower and more consistent, but still pretty good. A little bit of crema in there, and the machine is working perfectly. Okay, thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.